Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 3 parenthesis 3 multiplied by 3 square divided by 2 parenthesis 2 multiplied by 2 square. According to the rule of mathematics PEMDAS, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to the rule, first of all we solve parentheses. Now we have two parentheses here, so we solve parentheses. Now we simplify the fraction. So 3 parentheses 3 multiply by, so they give us 3 square, they give us 9, divided by 2, and 2 multiply by 2 square, they give us 4. Now the equation become 3, and 3 times 9 they give us 27, divided by 2, and 2 multiply by 4, or 2 times 4 they give us 8. Now we multiply by 3 multiply by 27, they give us 81, divided by 2 times 8 they give us 16. So the final answer is 81 divided by 16, or 5.0265. So the final answer is 81 divided by 16, or 5.0265. 5.0625. So the final answer is 5.0625. Thanks for watching.